Outside, sporting the number 1 saddle pad, IC Scratchy Ann, owned by Mr. Ricky Wilkinson and being driven this evening by Mr. Kevin Souza. This is for the 107-3 to 109-3 B Division time ball. Okay, our stock car has collected our 3 entries for heat number 23 of the evening. 3 ponies up and 3 ponies out. We'll sort them out as they come out of the first turn. And the rail pony, stay tuned with Joseph Veer in the bike. He's out in front setting the pace up over. Here comes Shady, who has already swung wide, trying to make way around the rail pony. IC Scratchy Ann sitting in wait, pushing the whole field along into paddock turn. Down the backstretch they go, neck and neck, pace for pace, stride for stride. Stay tuned with Here Comes Shady as they blaze into Hang 'em High turn. Here comes Shady now trying to edge out in front of Stay Tuned. IC Scratchy Ann with nowhere to go, studying from behind, off by a quarter. Out of the 4th turn they come one more time. Joseph Vieira trying to hold off. Here comes Shady. He has Stay Tuned stared in on the rail. Still too wide up in front of IC Scratchy Ann, who's locked in behind with nowhere to go. Into paddock turn and down the backstretch they blaze for the final time this evening. Stay tuned now, legging out in front of everyone. There goes IC Scratchy Ann with him as Here Comes Shady fades back behind the field, off by 2, going around Hang 'em High turn. Out of the 4th turn they come and down the home stretch. Stay tuned, trying to hold off IC Scratchy Ann. The rookie Kevin Souza coming on strong with IC Scratchy Ann, but it is not enough real estate. It is Stay Tuned with IC Scratchy Ann, and Here Comes Shady. Ponies for